Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Project title: Mobile IPv6 Root Optimization Security Design Protocol. Let's see the abstract of our project. Wireless networks are the computer networks that are not connected by cables of any kind. The use of the wireless network enables enterprises to avoid the costly process of introducing cables into buildings or a connection between different equipment locations. These are susceptible to many attacks. One such specific attack is a greyhound or malicious that falsely claims itself as the fresh and shortest path to the destination. In this proposed system, the mobile node communicates with its peer through a longer path via a home agent. The secure routing protocol resulted in increased packet delivery ratio and the reduced overhead ratio. These security problems are arises in the network since its topology is dynamic. That is, the nodes are all moved instead of placing in a static location. The mobile node directly communicates with its peer even the node moves to a new location. The communication is performed by the security implementation with the routing mechanism. This security represents the general cryptographic algorithms like encryption and the decryption process. Also, we use the RSA key algorithm for our enhanced security scheme. Finally, the simulation results shows that this proposed security scheme prevents the attacker or the intruder to establish the false connections in the network. Now we are going to see the flow diagram of our project. First, the network model is created. That is, the number of nodes are created in the network in the transmission area. These nodes represents the mobile node, correspondence nodes, and the home agents. At a specific time, the mobile node starts communicating. That is, it starts communicate to transfer the packet. After it starts communicates, the routing procedures are implemented to forward the packets. In that routing procedures, we have to maintain the security process. So security process means it performs the packet with the encryption and the decryption mechanisms with a public key. Finally, the packets are forwarded to the destination, that is from the mobile node if it reaches the home agent. The result is given in the graph, which is represented as the performance analysis, because we have to compare the existing system with our proposed secure routing protocol. The result shows that the proposed system is increased in the performance compared to the existing system. Now we are going to see the output demo. First, open the terminal window, then go to the directory where we have the code, then type in space file name .tcl. This is the command for run our code. Here 10 nodes is created in the network and these are all represents the key generation process for the security. Here for each and every node in the network, RSA key is generated for providing security, and also the packets security is also mentioned here. That is, each and every packet have encrypted and in the receiver only it is decrypted. To see the output, go to the network animator window. So here only we see the simulation output. So this is the nav window. To run our simulation, click play button. Here the home agents are created and the correspondent nodes are created and the mobile nodes are created in the network. So in this network model, the network is created now. Now Each and every node in the network has specific keys using the RSA algorithm. This is the speeding up our process. Now, a mobile node start communicates with the nearby correspondent node in the network. So, this represents the packets. So, these packets are then forwarded to the home agent. So, like that only, a mobile IP protocol is processed. So, this surface or represents the MAC layer, which transmits the packet as the frame structure. After the simulation ends, we can see the graph in the terminal window. For that, give the command gnu plot graph1 dot plot. So this is the graph for the packet delivery ratio. In x-axis, the number of nodes are varied, and for each and every node plotted, we have to calculate the packet delivery ratio. The existing have this packet delivery ratio than our proposed system. To see the another graph, type GNU plot graph2 dot plot. So this is the throughput graph. Here also the nodes are varied in the network, and for each and every node the throughput is measured in megabits per second. The proposed system achieves a higher throughput than the existing system. This is showed that the overall performance of our proposed security protocol is increased than the existing procedures. That's all. The demo is completed now. Thank you for watching this video.